G'day, Memi here. Today, we're about to embark on a journey that will test not just your body, but your mind and spirit as well. Survival isn't just a word, it's a mindset, a drive that kicks in when you're faced with the unknown. Imagine for a moment losing all your modern comforts. No phone buzzing in your pocket, no soft bed waiting for you at night, just you and the untamed wild. The silence can be deafening, and the challenges relentless. In those moments, survival isn't about brute strength or sheer luck. It's about using your wits, staying calm, and relying on preparation. Every decision matters, and every bit of knowledge can tip the scales in your favor. The wild doesn't care about your status, your job, or your background. It's an equalizer that demands respect, humility, and a willingness to learn. Out here, nature is both beautiful and unforgiving. Knowing how to handle the unexpected, whether it's a sudden storm, a wrong turn, or an injury, can mean the difference between life and death. Adaptability and quick thinking are your greatest allies. The skills I'll share with you are more than just tips. They're your lifeline, your toolkit for turning disaster into triumph, and for finding hope when things seem impossible. So let's dive in together and explore 11 essential survival skills that everyone should master. Whether you're an adventurer or just want to be prepared, these lessons could one day save your life. Let's get into it. First aid is your cornerstone in survival. When you're far from help, your knowledge and quick action can mean the difference between a minor setback and a life-threatening emergency. Every second counts, and your ability to respond swiftly is crucial. Out here, you're the first responder. Minor injuries can become deadly fast. Even a small cut or scrape can escalate if ignored, so don't underestimate the importance of immediate care. Know how to stop bleeding, clean wounds, and prevent infection. Treat blisters early, cool burns immediately, and always use clean materials to avoid complications. Learn to identify bites or stings. Some can cause severe allergic reactions or infections. Recognizing the difference between a harmless bite and a dangerous one is vital. Immobilize fractures with makeshift splints. Use whatever you have, sticks, shirts, or even trekking poles, to keep the injured limb stable and reduce pain. Recognize and stabilize head or spinal injuries, protect the neck and back, and never move someone unless absolutely necessary. Watch for heat stroke and hypothermia. Know the signs and act fast. Rapid temperature changes can be deadly, so monitor yourself and others closely. Trauma care boils down to 3 essentials: stop bleeding, prevent shock, and keep the patient calm. Clean and dress wounds thoroughly. Use antiseptics if available, and always cover injuries to keep dirt and bacteria out. Mastering first aid keeps you in the fight. With the right skills and mindset, you can handle emergencies and protect yourself and others until help arrives. CPR is a skill that saves lives anywhere. When a heart stops, every second counts. CPR keeps oxygen flowing until help arrives. Push past panic chest compressions and rescue breaths are simple but powerful. Learn to assess, call for help, and act decisively. Take a certified course. Don't just watch a video. This skill transforms you from bystander to lifesaver. Learn CPR. It's a gift you might give someone one day. Uncontrolled bleeding kills fast. Act in the golden minutes. Apply direct, hard pressure to wounds. Don't be timid. If pressure isn't enough, pack the wound with cloth or gauze. For limbs, use a tourniquet high and tight if needed. Note the time. Treat for shock. Lay the person down, elevate legs, keep them warm. Quick, decisive action saves lives. Master bleeding control and shock management. It's trauma care at its core. Water is life, and a silent killer. Drowning is fast and quiet. Water competency is essential. Learn to swim well, tread water, and float to conserve energy. Understand currents, tides, and cold shock. Read the water. Never swim alone. Know your limits, and always wear a life jacket when boating. Take water safety courses. They save lives. Prevention is key. Respect water's power. Stay safe, stay smart. Out here, the elements are relentless. Wind, rain, and cold can quickly sap your strength and morale. Shelter is your shield, your first line of defense against nature's harshest moods. Without it, even the toughest survivor can be brought to their knees. Start by scouting for a dry, safe spot. Look for high ground away from flood risks, and avoid hazards like dead trees or waterlogged areas. The right location can make all the difference, so take your time and choose wisely. Use what nature provides. Fallen branches, leaves, and even snow can become your building blocks. Build a simple lean-to or debris hut. Keep it small to conserve heat, and make sure it's well insulated and windproof. A compact shelter is easier to warm with your own body heat and less vulnerable to the wind. Thatch your roof thickly with leaves, pine needles, or grass for warmth and waterproofing. The thicker the layer, the better it will keep out rain and trap precious heat inside your shelter. Don't forget the ground. Insulate yourself from the cold earth with a thick layer of pine boughs, leaves, or dry grass. This simple step can prevent dangerous heat loss overnight and make your shelter much more comfortable. Remember the 5 W's: waterproof, windproof, warmth, watch for wigglies like insects or snakes, and water nearby. Each one is crucial for your safety and comfort, so check your shelter carefully before settling in. A well-built shelter is more than just protection. It's a psychological and physical lifesaver. It gives you a sense of security, a place to rest, and the strength to face another day in the wild. Build smart, stay alive, and let your shelter be your sanctuary. Fire is your greatest ally. Warmth, light, safety, and hope. Master the fire triangle. Fuel, heat, oxygen. Gather tinder, kindling, and fuel wood before lighting. Use a lighter, matches, or ferro rod. Practice until it's second nature. Learn primitive methods like bow drill for emergencies. Keep fires small and efficient. Protect from wind and rain. Fire is about patience and preparation. Practice now. Your life may depend on it. Your body needs water and calories to survive. Water is priority. Find it in valleys, near green plants, or from dew. Assume all wild water is contaminated. Purify before drinking. For food, forage safe plants and insects. Never eat what you can't identify. Insects are protein-rich. Cook them first. Hunting and fishing require skill. Set simple snares or improvise hooks. Conserve energy. Maximize calories. Fuel your body to keep going. Found water? Don't drink yet. Purify it. Boil for at least 1 minute, longer at altitude. Use purification tablets or portable filters if you have them. Improvise filters with cloth, charcoal, sand, and pebbles, then boil. Always filter first, then purify. Never risk drinking untreated water. Illness can end your survival. Safe water keeps you strong. Make purification a habit. Lost? Stay calm. Navigation is your lifeline. A compass and map are best. Learn to use them together. Without tools, use the sun, stars, and natural clues. Moss, wind-shaped trees, and water flow can guide you. Remember STOP. Stop, think, observe, plan. Don't rush. Sit, assess, and make a clear plan. Sometimes staying put is safest. Navigation is observation and patience. Survival means being found. Signaling is key. Use a mirror or shiny object to flash sunlight. Practice aiming. Build smoky fires by day. bright fires by night. 3 in a triangle signals distress. Lay out bright objects or create large ground signals like SOS. Use a whistle. 3 blasts for help. Be persistent and visible. Contrast is your friend. Signal with purpose. Rescue can come anytime. Make yourself impossible to miss. Knots are the unsung heroes of survival. Learn a few strong, versatile knots: bowline, clove hitch, sheet bend, alpine butterfly, and square lashing. Practice until it's muscle memory, even in the dark or with gloves. Good knots mean secure shelters, traps, and gear. Cordage is precious. Protect it, or make your own from plant fibers. Knots hold your survival efforts together. Master the basics. Improvise when needed. Ingenuity and skill make the difference. Watching is just the start. Real preparedness comes from practice. Take these skills off the screen and into your life. Build a shelter, start a fire, take a first aid course, and practice navigation. The more you practice, the more confident you'll be in a crisis. Share this knowledge. Safer communities start with you. Luck favors the prepared. Stay safe. Stay smart. Never give up. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.